Hey everybody, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale this week across North America. I provided links for each of these vehicles in the description below. As noted in the title and thumbnail, we have a giveaway coming up in a future video. More information on that giveaway is provided later in this video. Now, let's get on to the vehicles. Alright folks, here we're going to start with a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $15,000 US in Stonewall, Louisiana. It's been driven 2,500 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is blue, interior color blue, fuel type gasoline, 2 owners. This vehicle is paid off, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. If it's posted, it's available. 1979 Corvette with a 2009 6.0 motor with Z06 lifters and cam, upgraded injectors, tuned at about 430 ponies, with a 6L80 monster transmission. When you hit the skinny pedal, she gets up and hauls butt. Stereo has that bump in the trunk so you can hear it over the loud ass side pipe. Want a fun car to own and take to car shows and cruise around in? Well, this is your car. Flaws. The AC needs a pro to get back cold. I think it has a Freon leak, but I can't find it. The digital gauge is the cheaper one, so half of it works correctly. You might be able to fix. Other than that, the car is solid and ready to roll. Please know, is this available? And I don't need your messages for nice car. Okay, the title on this next one seems a little strange to me, but not real familiar with cars, so I'm going to read it out as is. A 1932 Alfa Romeo racing boat tail black, listed for $9,500 US in Lubbock, Texas. It's been driven 10,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is black, 2 owners. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows. Very nice 1932 Alfa Romeo with title, low mileage, runs very well, new tires and wheels, very fun to drive and very well built. For a test drive, text me for an appointment. Thank you. Alright, so here we have a very nice example of a 1968 Volkswagen Carmen Gia, listed for $8,500 US in Monclova, Ohio. It's been driven 100,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is black, interior color is also black. Fuel type gasoline, this vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows. 1968 VW Carmen Gia, 4-speed stick, new exhaust, electronic ignition, clutch and bearing. Solid floors, no rust, nice interior and nice glass. Paint is 7 years old, still in good shape. Alrighty, up next we have a pretty nice example of a 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday, listed for $10,000 US in Kalispell, Montana. It's been driven 1,234 miles, automatic transmission, exterior color is blue, interior color is blue, fuel type gasoline, this vehicle is paid off, clean title, this vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. Posting for my boyfriend. 55 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday with a Rocket 324 V8 and Hydromatic transmission. Car is 90% complete. Runs and drives great. Good heat. Original salmon white in color. Paint is in great shape except for 2 small spots that need fixed. It still needs a headliner, window trim, wiring fixed, and the transmission adjusted. Factory carb was a 2-barrel, but it was switched to an aftermarket 4-barrel. The trans linkage works off the throttle linkage and it needs more adjustment. I have it close. Harsh shift from second to third. Car is not perfect, but a great cruiser and a good looker. Trades? ? Any questions? Feel free. Thank you. Clean title. Alright folks, you may have figured out by now, I'm an MG guy. Here we have a beautiful example of a 1974 MGB. This is the last year for the chrome bumper. Rubber bumper came in with the 75 model and continued on until 1980. But we'll get back to this car. It's listed for $13,000 Canadian in Vaughan, Ontario. It's been driven 87,000 kilometers, has a manual transmission. Exterior color is green, interior color is brown, fuel type gasoline. Seller's description is as follows. For sale, classic 1974 MGB. Timeless elegance meets driving pleasure in this beautifully preserved 1974 MGB Roadster. Immerse yourself in the thrill of the open road with this iconic British classic. Specifications, year 1974, model MGB Roadster. Condition, well maintained, mileage 87,000 kilometers, color green, features, convertible top for the ultimate driving experience, regularly serviced and garage kept, classic charm with modern reliability, no mechanical problems, asking $13,000 Canadian, comes with rooftop and cover. Okay, I think it's time for another upcoming model kit giveaway. First off, I want to thank you all so much for getting this channel to 1,000 subscribers with the last giveaway. I've honestly been overwhelmed with the number of subscribers, comments, and thumbs up that each video has received. At the time I'm recording this, the channel has 1,177 subscribers, but only 4.3% subscriber views out of 208,000 views on the videos. Now don't get me wrong here, I appreciate the huge number of views, but if we can increase the subscriber amount, it will help me tremendously with the YouTube algorithms. To help facilitate this, I'm offering another model kit giveaway. This time, I'm offering a 1/25th scale MPC 1967 Pontiac GTO model kit, brand new in sealed box. For this giveaway, I want to see us get to 1,300 subscribers. When we hit that 1,300 subscriber mark, I will run the giveaway in the next video. Complete details and instructions will be included in that video when we get there, but the simple basics of it are you will need to be a subscriber and will need to comment on that video. Thank you again for all the support you've given me. It takes time to put these videos together, and the response I've received from you has been great. You folks are awesome. Now, let's get back to the vehicles. Okay, just a quick caveat on this one. The pictures, or some of the pictures for this one seem a little funky. I'm not sure what's going on, but I thought it's a pretty cool looking car, so I thought I'd include it. Here we have a 1953 Ford Crown Victoria Custom Line, listed for $8,000 US in Hanover, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 66,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is red. Seller's description is as follows. 1953 Ford Crown Victoria Custom Line Sedan. Driven 66,000 miles. Flathead V8, 3-speed manual on the floor with 66,000 original miles. 1955 dashboard, modern power front seats, wiring just went over, Bluetooth radio, headers, flamethrower coil, and it's converted to 12 volt. Trade for Harley-Davidson Bagger, prefer Road Glide with fixed front fairing. We'll consider other models as well. Might also trade for a camper or other cars, trucks. We'll also entertain cash offers. Money talks. All right, Toyota guy, this one's for you. 1970 Toyota Land Cruiser, listed for $15,000 US in Golden, Colorado. It's been driven 150,000 miles, has a manual transmission. Exterior color is red, one owner. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows. 1970 Toyota Land Cruiser, 350 4-bolt main, power steering, front disc brakes, 2-inch Downy suspension lift, best top, soft top. Full roll cage, roughly 150,000 miles. Transmission transfer case is from a 76 Toyota Land Cruiser. Always garage kept, needs some TLC. Need to sell, make reasonable offer. Serious inquiries only, please. Okay, here we have a 1958 Ford F-150 Heritage regular cab, listed for $5,200 in El Paso, Texas. It's been driven 12,345 miles. Again, I know they have to put something in, so take that with a grain of salt. Has an automatic transmission. Exterior color is red. Interior color is white. Fuel type gasoline. Clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. Now, this is actually translated from Spanish. Looks like this is a Mexican national that is selling the truck, so I'm going to do what I can here with this. A 1958 Ford F-100 Mexicana National. Nothing is owed. Upcoming plaques. I'm not sure what that means. Everything works. Price firm. No trades. Okay, so this is my first time showing a two-wheeled vehicle on this channel. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see more of this, and I can kind of keep an eye out. Here we have a 1964 Honda Passport, listed for $6,400 Canadian in Victoria, BC. It has a manual transmission, and the exterior color is black. Seller's description is as follows. 1964 Honda C100 Super Cub prototype body, custom swing arm, Springer forks, bars, suicide shifter, wheels with Avon Speedmaster tires. Alright folks, so I screwed up in the last video. I finished it up with this 1969 Subaru 360, but I put the wrong audio file up with it and described a 1980 Porsche. So I'm relisting this Subaru in this video just so you get a chance to see it again and hear the proper audio with it. So here we go. 1969 Subaru 360, listed for $9,000 US in Bennington, Nebraska. It's been driven 50,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is yellow, interior color is black, fuel type gasoline, 3+ owners. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows. Nice little 360, runs, drives, and stops as it should. Just completely rebuilt the entire braking system. See pictures for all the rest of the improvements. Paint is in rough shape, will definitely need to be painted. $9,000 or best offer. Alright everyone, that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. New videos do go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're really enjoying my content, I've also set up a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.